Hello everybody, welcome to my first reaction, and I'm happy to say that my first reaction is on the Chris Archives Analog channel. I seriously go sub to them. I'm planning to react to their Jeff the Killer series. But right now we're reacting to the highly popular Cat in the Hat. So this is based off the live action Cat in the Hat. Me personally, I liked the movie. A lot of people didn't. I could see why. Okay, so let's start with the reaction. I'm gonna get some water real quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. Start captions for this. Chris Archives presents The Cat in the Hat. I always liked The Cat in the Hat. It was cool. Oh yeah, they didn't like that version of Cat in the Hat.
Emily, sweetie, it's only 2 nights.
Emily.
The babysitter will be here any minute. Her name's Sarah. She's really nice.
Pick up the house phone if you need anything. And don't open the door for anyone you don't know. Understood?
So like cats and hats.
Will you call me when you get there? Of course we will. We love you.
This is very amazing
Be
art.
good.
That must be Sarah. Bet it's not.
Hello, you must be Emily.
How do you know my name? Are you wearing a costume?
I'm not wearing a costume. I'm the Cat in the Hat. And yes, I know a lot of things. I'm here to make tonight really fun.
My parents don't let me talk to strangers. I'm waiting for the babysitter.
Oh, poor thing. Sarah had a little accident. Not serious, but she won't be able to make it. So they sent me a
She
cat.
won't be able to make
Isn't
it.
a talking cat way better than a boring babysitter?
Can you really talk?
I'm sorry. So a giant cat in a hat is talking to you. He said Sarah had a little bit of an accident. Then she says, "Can you really talk?"
I can do a lot more than talk. Will you let me in? I promise we're going to have fun.
Whoa! How did you do that?
Bunny.
Opa.
So pretty.
Just a little trick, see? Not alone anymore.
It's like a princess castle. How do you do that? Can you read minds?
Just a little. I know you like happy colors when you're scared, and I know you're scared of being alone. But you don't have to be anymore. I'm here to keep you entertained until your parents come back. Shall we play hide and seek? I'll count.
Saying now you should never play hide and seek with a cat in a hat. I'm sorry.
First,
Yeah, but no cheating.
Oh no! Not the fucking big bad wolf art style, bro. We're so cooked. Yo, it's GG's. That kid's dead.
come on. You have to hide better than that.
That actually scared the shit out of me. That actually scared me. I did not. I was trying to open my water bottle. Hide outside. That's what I do. if you're playing hide and seek inside the house, you set rules. Okay, shut the fuck up. See, when you're playing hide and seek in the house, you cheat. You specify the rules. So you're like, oh, he's the one that made the rules. He's definitely gonna follow them. Then you break the rules and go outside and hide in a bush. Oh, fuck.
Oh no, try harder next time.
Ugh. I don't like him. Stay hydrated. We seen that. We all seen that. We don't need to look back. We all seen it. Guys, I think that's the Cat in the Hat.
Holy fuck. This isn't fun if you don't hide properly, Emily.
Now I'm Simon. We're playing Simon Says.
Alright, boss, you're in charge.
Simon says, get the fuck out of my house.
Touch your hat. Simon says, hop on one foot. Simon says, pull a rainbow cat out of your hat.
Bing! I don't like the chemicals they're putting in the water, because they're turning the fucking cats gay.
You lost, silly. I didn't say Simon Says.
Oh, how silly of me, little one. You win this round, little mouse.
Cats hunt mice. That should set off a red flag. I'm not good at reactions. I'm sorry.
Time to smash some pinatas. This bat is special. It hits really hard even if you don't swing strong. Let's get lots of candy.
Those are weirdly shaped human pinatas. Oh,
Dad! No! What did you do?
Surprise! I knew you missed them so much. I brought them back so you could play with them. Isn't it wonderful?
You're a monster! You're a monster! Get out! Get out of my house!
You didn't like the trick? I thought it would make you happy.
ooh. Oh, he's not gonna get out of the house because he didn't say Simon. Fuck dumbass. Can you stop? Laughter, sure. Pop out of nowhere, I'm gonna fucking be pissed. I don't like this, bro. I'm gonna finish my water. My mom didn't raise a scared cat. See what I did there?
Now, let's play hide and seek. I chase, you hide.
Oh fuck no, bro. Oh no. Ooh. Ah, it's chills.
Do it. windows are gone.
That's freaky, bro. Oh. Don't go into first person view. I don't want to be the child.
Please.
911.
Please.
911, what's your emergency?
There's a monster in my house.
You hurt my mommy,
My
buddy.
mommy and daddy. Please. Come quick.
Okay, sweetheart, stay calm. What's your name?
Emily. Emily Smith.
Good girl. Yeah, tell me exactly what's happening.
Captured my parents. And now he won't stop chasing me.
Alright. Just tell me your address, princess.
142.
Fuck nah, bruh. See, I already had a bad feeling with the officer, quotation marks, said good girl and sweetie.
Play something else, little mouse. A simple game. Rock, paper, scissors.
I could beat this guy's ass in rock, paper, scissors. You got no idea how good I am. Tie. Tie. You're going for an awfully long... This is not good. You're a fucking dumbass, by the way. I'm just saying, you're fucking stupid. I chose rock again because he wouldn't be expecting rock. He wouldn't expect rock again. The first thing we do, rock, what's he gonna do? He's obviously gonna go do scissors because... balls. Unless he's noodled.
I can see properly if you won't play nicely. Fine. I'll give you an exit. Just jump away from her end. You'll be with your parents. If you want that.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god, bruh. That scared the... Oh, you got me good. You're a motherfucker, bro. I hate you. That's a dick move, bro. That's a dick move. Oh my god, bro.
You're alone too.
No? I have... Ooh. Oh, fuck no, bro. Okay, do some stupid shit. And I'm gonna fucking break something. Oh my god, bruh. Created by Chris Archives. Voice actors: Emily, Ella, Mother, Lisa, Shadow Strike, Mother, Connor. I'm gonna let the credits roll. That was cool. Okay. I'm gonna give my opinion, and later down the line, maybe like after a day or two after this is uploaded, I'll watch the other two ones, which look absolutely insane. I am excited to check those out. Like always, check out Chris Archives. Super cool guy. Definitely needs like more subs, more everything. Super cool. Super cool. And yeah, that was a cheap jump scare. I'm gonna say it now. That scared the shit out of me. Great job, Chris. Hope you guys liked that first reaction. Again, remember, tomorrow we're watching the second and last Cat of the Hat series. I really wish it was a little bit longer, like the Jeff the Killer series, like 7 videos. It's only 3, but we take what we get here. We take what we get. So that was very creepy, very awesome. Again, props to everyone. Props to everyone in the credits. Obviously, Chris Archives, Ella, everyone. Just everyone's awesome. Everyone's cool. Great job what they did. I'm gonna stop sucking they dick, and I'm gonna end the video here. Yeah.